So once again, our instructions are to simplify. And we got square roots on the bottom. So remember, for simplifying square roots, we have to write as mixed radicals, combine any like radicals, and we can't have square roots on the bottom. Any time that you have more than one square root on the bottom, or your bottom is a binomial, as it is in this case, you're going to need to multiply by the conjugate. And remember, the conjugate is exactly the same, except with a different sign. Now, if I multiply the bottom by that, I have to multiply the top by that, so that I'm multiplying by 1, which doesn't change what my answer equals, just changes how it looks. So you're going to have to FOIL on the top and FOIL on the bottom to multiply it out. 2 root 3 times 3 root 2 will be 6 root 6. 2 root 3 times negative 2 root 3, negative 4 root 9, minus 12 root 12, plus 8 root 18. That's multiplying out the top. We'll do the same thing on the bottom, but anytime you multiply by the conjugate, you're going to notice that your middle terms, in this case you're going to get minus 6 root 6 and plus 6 root 6. They're going to cancel each other out. And the ones on the outside, so after these ones, which are like terms, they cancel each other out. The outside ones will always have perfect squares, so when you simplify them, we'll do 9 times 2 will be 18. Negative 4 times 3 will be 12. On the top, we have to look if we can simplify any of our radicals. 6 root 6 is already as simplified as you can get it. But 4 times square root of 9 is going to be the same as 4 times 3, which is 12. Since the square root of 12 is the same as the square root of 4 times the square root of 3, which is the same as 2 square roots of 3, 12 square roots of 12 is going to become 24 square roots of 3. Because the 12 is 2 root 3, and then this 12 times the 2 root 3 will become 24 root 3. Okay? Same thing here. 18, square root of 18 is the same as square root of 9 times square root of 2, which is equal to 3 root 2. And if that 3 root 2 gets multiplied by the 8, well, 8 times 3 is 24, and we're left with 24 root 2. (18 minus 12 will be 6. Looking at the top of my fraction, I have no like radicals, and I have no like terms, so I can't combine anything. But I might be able to factor a number out of the top. Is there a common factor between 6, 12, and 24 and 24? 6. If I factor out that 6, I get root 6 minus 2 minus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 2. And then you ask yourself, with the fraction out in front, 6 divided by 6, can you simplify that? Yes, those will cancel out, and we're just left with square root of 6 minus 2 minus 4 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 2. Did I give you questions on this one last time? No. Okay. Yep. But this one here? Yeah. Oh, wait, never mind. I see what you did. Okay. And the questions you can do for this are 10 and 13. Ay, ay, ay.